Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY, we're going to make this adorable floral bee centerpiece using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post super quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's project. So I got this little, bird cage type of decor thing at the Dollar Tree, and I thought it would be fantastic for a little centerpiece, so let's give it a little makeover. I'm going to start by giving it 2 coats of the Rust-Oleum white spray paint. I'm going to let each coat dry in between. This way we have a chance that it will stick. Once that's done, look how cute it looks so far, I'm going to take yellow satin paint by Martha Stewart. It's in the color Couscous, and I'm going to use it to paint all the little bees in order to give it a little pop. I don't want this whole thing to be white. I do want the bees to stand out. So I'm going to give them at least 2 coats of this satin paint. So let's continue with that. Now that the bees are dry, look how cute this looks so far. I'm going to take a gold metallic Sharpie and I'm going to go and detail all the outlines that the bees have. This way it gives it a little bit of dimension. So just with the Sharpie, I'm going to go through the wings and the little feelers and the body itself to give it some dimension. So let's continue. So now that I'm done with that step, look how cute it looks. I'm going to use a Dollar Tree candlestick holder. I had this one, I had actually used it for another project, but I'm going to use it for this. And 2 styrofoam discs, which you could also find at the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to hot glue both of these discs together. And once that's done, I'm going to take them and I'm going to hot glue them onto the candlestick holder itself. So let's continue with this step. And now finally, I'm going to attach the bird cage onto the styrofoam just by using some hot glue. So I'm going to just add hot glue to the edges of the bird cage and I'm going to place it on top of the styrofoam. So let's finish this off. This way we can continue with adding the flowers. So now the last and final step is I'm going to use these Dollar Tree florals and I'm going to pretty much just rip them apart. This way I have more to work with, and I'm going to hot glue them on the styrofoam discs. So just by adding hot glue to the edges of the styrofoam, I'm going to start placing the florals in a way that I think looks cute or nice. And this is going to be the last step for this project. So let's continue adding all of these flowers to the edges of the styrofoam, and then this piece will be ready to display. So now this piece is ready to display, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. I did add a battery operated tea light along with a little glass votive holder. Both of those things are from the Dollar Tree, and I think it is the perfect finishing touch for this piece. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure to hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos, and you can follow me on my socials, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.